everyone, welcome back to Millennial Living. On this episode, it's all about bathroom exhaust fans, but not just any type, the type that comes with, a speaker. But before I begin, I need you guys to do something very important for us. First thing, hit the subscribe button. Number two, when you see ads on our videos, please take the time to watch it. Recently, we were able to monetize our channel, which means we can run ads on it. So when you see an ad on our channel, take the time to watch it. Otherwise, if you hit skip ad, we make like a penny or something. But if you take the time to watch the full video, we might make 50 cents, and it goes a long way in helping us fix our fixer-upper. So a couple of months ago, our bathroom exhaust fan in my bathroom downstairs went out, and I needed to replace it. So when you go to the hardware store, there are several to pick from. Most of them are just very boring exhaust fans. But, you know, this is what, 2019? You want to jazz it up, right? So I came across this one. It comes with a built-in speaker, it's Bluetooth connected, and it's a bathroom exhaust fan. Now these type of bathroom exhaust fans are very common. You can find some at Home Depot, at Menards, and other hardware stores. But this is the one I got from Lowe's, and it's made by a company called Netwerks. And the reason I went with them is, well, I'm a big fan of Lowe's, and the one at Home Depot looked okay, but I love the look of this one. So some of the features of this fan is it's quieter fan with greater air movement, connects to most Bluetooth enabled devices. After you set it up, it pairs automatically with whatever device you use. It's got a strong clear signal up to 30 feet away. The speaker, it's got a warm full speaker sound. If you guys are in the market for a new bathroom exhaust fan, whether you're just tired of your old one or your bathroom exhaust broke, you should really think about one of these type. The reason is it's really easy to connect to your device and it sounds really great. So when you're in the shower or in the bathroom, whatever, getting ready, you can listen to your favorite podcast, your favorite YouTube channel, or just some music. So here's the main reason that I want to do this video is when I looked online for reviews on these types of devices, the reviews were terrible. People were complaining about it not connecting, that it was hard to install, that it made a lot of noises. So the reviews were terrible, and so I was like, you know, a little scared to jump into this because if a lot of reviews are bad, it must be not good, right? It's not worth the money because it's about $119, and they have another one that's made by this company that's about $142. So it's a big investment, and then you got to take the time to install it. But I wanted to tell you guys, I've had it in there for several weeks now, and it is awesome. It's easy to connect. It was not that hard to install. Now, I didn't install it. I had someone else do it. But the user experience, it sounds great. The speaker's awesome. The bathroom exhaust is awesome. It connects really easy. So I'm going to go down there. I'm going to show you mine. And so if you're in the market for something like this, I highly recommend it. All right, everyone. We're in my bathroom where the other type of magic goes on. So we're going to be showing you this thing. Now, the speaker is very big, so what I ended up having to do was, well, my guy who installed it, I should say, what he ended up having to do is cut it out. He's a retired electrician, so he's not a drywall guy, so what he ended up doing is cutting it to make the hole bigger, and then he put the speaker in there. And so, as you can see, it's a pretty big thing, but once I get the drywall done, it's going to look great. And it's easy to connect, so what you got to do is press the switch to turn the fan on. And then you can hear the bathroom exhaust fan. It's pretty quiet. Compared to my old one, which was like, it was very loud, and it was like barely hanging in there. So it's very quiet. When I take a shower and everything like that, there's no steam in the air. It goes right up there. If you hear some noise besides this bathroom exhaust fan, it's because my HVAC is right here, right behind her. So it might be a little loud, so that's why. But now that we have the bathroom exhaust fan on my phone, I just turn on my Bluetooth, and then immediately pops up the Homeworks. And I just connect it, and then boom, it's connected. Now, what, did you hear that? So this time it took a little bit longer to connect, but that little boop boop, here's the thing, some of the reviews I read, people complained about that and gave it like 1 star because they found that noise to be very annoying. So it was
Can you make the noise again?
I'm not going to make the noise again unless you watch our video. You know, if you in the comment section, come back to me and tell me you watched that video, and I'll personally make you that noise. But in the meantime, people gave this speaker 1 star. Can you imagine, like, some of the most little things that bothered people about the speaker? But anyway, so now that we got the things connected, I'm going to play you something. Hey everyone, welcome back to Millennial Living. My name is George, and on this episode, we're going to talk about the most expensive thing you're going to do to prove your love for your furry little friends. And what is that? A fence. For our yard, what we ended up going with is a vinyl fence. 2 reasons. Number 1, so as you can see, it sounds really good. And when I take a shower and I have my music playing, it sounds great. And so if you guys are in the market, I highly recommend it. So now, let's say you're done and you want to just disconnect, you can either just go and turn off your Bluetooth, or just turn it off with the switch, whatever is easier for you. And so that's my review about this. It was $119. I got it from Lowe's. They sell, like I said, they sell it at Home Depot, another I think they have their own brand or whatever, like another company. But if you're in the market for bathroom exhaust, highly recommend you go with the bathroom exhaust with the speaker, because they're right around the same price as the regular bathroom exhaust fan. So if you're going to replace it, you might as well jazz it up with the speaker. You can listen to your music and all that kind of good stuff. And also, guys, just because you saw on the internet that it has a bad review, don't believe it. Sometimes just take it home and test it out and see if you like it. But that's this video for Millennial Living. And if you guys like what we're doing here, please give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe, and then share this with your family and friends, because I'm sure they are dying to see a video about a bathroom exhaust. But also, like I said, guys, please help us. You guys gotta watch our videos and our commercials that we have on these channels, on these videos, because it helps us fix our fixer-upper, and we're going to continue to fix this house up, and then what we learn from it, we're going to share it with you guys. And little surprise to you guys is we're going to be having a baby in February or January, and so it would help us a lot with your support. So we also have a Patreon, we have a PayPal, so if you guys want to support us that way, we would really appreciate it. But one thing we do really appreciate is you guys watching these videos, because it means a lot to us. Thank you guys. Bye.